So we slowed down at the 60 foot 144.
Yeah.
Which we went at 140 yesterday, but we went at 532.
Yeah. That's why I said it run like a 31-32 on that
Let's
chain.
go, baby.
The starting line's not as sticky as it was when we went that faster.
Dude, he out 330'd me.
Yeah. Then he started moving around. And then once he started moving around, the Dale truck said, "See you later."
Yeah. I haven't felt the Dale truck pull through the mid-range like that yet. So that was nice. Let's go.
Hey, you know what's after that 32?
A 27.
28.
Okay. Okay.
I like it.